Welcome back to the adventure. This is Adam, and today we're talking about Microsoft Bob. Now we are at the front door of Bob's house. Let's knock and see what happens. We are now in the house. Let's take a look at a few of the programs that come with Bob. Here on the wall we have a calendar that we can click on, and that will launch a calendar program. All the basic features of a calendar can be found here, from creating an event to making a to-do list. Just to the right of the calendar, we have a clock that lets you do basic clock functions like set the time or set an alarm. The doors on either side of the room will go to other areas. We'll explore that in just a moment. On this table here in the foreground, we have the household manager here, and we have a letter writing program, a financial guide, and a checkbook tool. And the checkbook has its own guide here that's ready to help. Some items you have to be patient with because they don't open right as you click on them. On the table off to the left, we have an address book and email program. Let's explore the house a little bit more. Through the left door here, we should have a study. As you may have already noticed, you have access to a lot of the same programs as before. If we go through the door to the right, we will be in the family room. And the family room looks an awful lot like a barn for some reason. But hey, to each his own. Alright, so when you click on a door, you do have this option to go to another room, not just the one that you're linked to. I'm going to choose the mouse hole. This is more or less what I would expect the inside of a mouse hole to look like. Well done. Thanks for stopping by. See you next video.